Okay, very good. Asante sana. Are you part of our social health infrastructure? Yes. What is your experience with the people who are how do you identify them when they come to the clinic? Very good. Very good.
This is a very important big. Your Excellency, how are you?
Very good. Yes. Very good. Yes.
So, Your Excellency, Muranga has now started.
Yes.
So usually enter into agreements with various factories. They guarantee our farmers price.
Yes.
We used to sell mango before this $3 per kg a farm cost. But we put it to $18 because of this.
Very good.
But now these guys, they have now given us a deal of $30 per kg.
Very good. Yes. Very good. For mangoes.
For mango.
What about avocado?
Avocados we are buying at 100 this time.
100, yes.
Okay, yes.
So
that is Hass and Fuete. The Kenyeji ones we are buying 50. This is the Kenyeji.
This Kenyeji, yes. Yes. Okay. Congratulations. Now what you're doing? Prime Minister. We agree that we're going to have a bilateral agreement so that we open that market. I don't know
So these are property sellers. Thank you. Yeah. Segway.
Mortgage. Okay.
Now, this is our county affiliated company. Yes, you can take one.
Vanilla Madiwa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yoga.
It's countable.
What do you mean count?
The factory was started by the then we ceded it to farmers. The union of the farmers. This is the one now running.
Very good.
So it can be supported.
How do we
Never seen it. It's not that much.
It is not just money that supports.
There are many things that we wanted. One is the marketing, because we want to go to the market. But we wanted to do the repairs for the company and to buy extra machines. And when the governor was handing over the factory, the visa that time was CST and he came and promised that we at least 150 million to start. So if you can be able to do that, we had given us a very good showcase. We can be able to
Sasa wewe ongea na hao watu wako, let them think out that proposal. And in that proposal, I want you to say how much money you're going to put so that I can put the rest. Sawa.
we appreciate it because it affects the farmers.
Thank you. Now, this is a very important stand.
Habari zenu? Naona nyinyi watu ya kahawa. Habari yako?
Your Excellency.
Very good.
Your Excellency, welcome to
Habari ma'am. Salama. Hello, how are you? Very good. Habari yako mzee? Very good.
This is Muranga Farmers Cooperative Union.
Yes.
A union among the 15 unions that you know that are already been licensed by CMA to mill and sell coffee.
Yes.
I would like to take this opportunity, Your Excellency, to thank you so much for the concern you have shown, particularly since you took over that line. We are through. We have seen wonders happening, and also our farmers are very happy. They have received payments through the unions, payments that have never been realized any other time. Otherwise, we are requesting you to continue supporting us. We are doing well, and probably just a little bit push and consideration from your side, then things will be all right.
What you know what we did there?
Yeah.
We organize the sector.
Yeah.
So that we eliminate the people who are brokers in between and causing unnecessary confusion, delaying payment. You know, many farmers were waiting for 4, 5, 6 months before they receive payment. So we have cleaned up that space. So what additional do you want me to do?
What I will request you, Your Excellency, I'm also the chairman of National Coffee Cooperative Union. We have discussed this before. What I will request you to do is still look at the window. The multinationals are coming in. You look at the total amount of money realized by coffee all over the country, a big portion has gone to the multinationals. So within the 2019 regulations, there are still some windows, there are still some areas that they are taking advantage of. They have sold, and the moment these people sell their coffee, like in Muranga, we sold about 3.5 billion worth of coffee. Billion. And a part of that, the multinationals took could be about 12 billion. This money never stopped in Muranga anywhere. This money that they took away. But the 3.5 billion earned by our farmers remains here. So we are requesting you, Your Excellency, let's close the windows just like the 2019 regulations want. This will really...
But you agree that the sector is now better organized?
Oh, yes. Your Excellency, we are happy what you are doing for the seedlings. We are aware...
Earnings have progressively increased.
Oh, yes, a lot. And... yeah. And the waiver, we know you are also considering the waiver. You have given money for the seedlings. We are very appreciative. Agrochemicals, we have also given money. And we really appreciate all this. Otherwise...
Okay, that small corner imebaki kidogo, I will straighten it up.
Please. And when you are not sure about it, just invite the farmers. We shall come and clear this. Thank you.
Okay.
Na transformer yenye ulitupatia, it's working and we are doing...
The bill is working. This is part of that.
Hii inaitwa ultrasonic flow meter.
Yes.
Ultrasonic flow meter ni ya kutusaidia kuangalia quality ya mita. Haya, hii nayo hapa tunatumia kufuse the new technology. Yes. Ya kuunganisha. Yes, kuunganisha. So unafanya hivyo. Yes. Asante.
Mnatengeneza wapi?
Mathioya.
Mathioya?
Yeah, we manufacture it in Mathioya, Odhondot still.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look for an opportunity niwapitie.
Karibu sana, sir. Thank you. You can take that. You can. Yes. Yes, sir.
Habari yako mama? Naona unaunda maneno.
Natibu watu.
Unatibu watu?
Natibu watu. Hapa tuna kitu tunaita hibiscus natural juice. bila chemical. Na hii ukikunywa ina manage pressure, inatoa cholesterol, ukitaka kureduce.
Okay.
Bado kuna Muranga. Na nataka unichukulie kitu kimoja hapa.
Okay.
Angalau nilipe nyumba.
Haya gani?
Kuna hibiscus. Hibiscus.
Saidia 20,000 nipatie huyu
Ah,
mama.
thank you. Thank you hibiscus.
Niende nijaribu hii.
Na hii Muranga.
Na inapunguza
only 3 petals. Pressure bado kuna. Hii inapunguza cholesterol ukikunywa na maji moto. Inatoa cholesterol na reduce weight. Na hii nayo ni ya miguu. Ukiwa unaumwa na miguu unaweza squat. Hebu squat kidogo. Hiyo nayo Muranga natural inaongeza vitamins, calcium na ina balance diet. Bado kuna thank you. My name is Deborah Njeri kutoka Keno. My MP. This one. Thank you.
Muranga Sabasaba here.
Yes. Where are you buying the leather from?
We are buying leather from sometime in Azizi leather, but we are trying to do from yes sir.
I'm going to connect you to local manufacturers of leather.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So that we promote local. So in school shoes.
Yes sir. Back to school unisex, both for boys and girls, and we are doing it locally. For now, I have 35 boys which are doing this work. If you can support us, our Mr. President, we can be very.
What kind of support do you need from me?
The support I need from you is support, because I'm doing it in my home here in Sabasaba, nyumbani kabisa. Now, with due respect, if you can come and see what we are doing, and the way I'm supporting the young men, I can be very happy. Yes, working. I can show even in my phone. Yeah, bring the phone. Bring my phone. What you are doing for them? Yes, yes, yes. We are calling Nyumbani. Let me show you in the my. Yes. That is what we are doing. Yes, sir. I have the video there. You can see the boys. Let's. Hawa ni vijana wanafanya.
A small factory and capacity to make the shoe better quality.
Yes, sir.
But a small factory. 1 million. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Yes, sir.
Diversification. Tuko na hizi chakula za mifugo. We have this one purple red napier and this one sweet potato vines and this one is
lakini chakula ya ng'ombe.
Ni chakula ya ng'ombe ili mtu afanye kazi kilimo biashara ili tuweke pesa kwa mfuko, ndio maana nawafunza na pia tuko na chakula vitabu tunafunza hapa nayo farming.
Ukiwafundisha wanakulipa ama unalipwa na nani?
Silipi na mtu na wauzia ile kitu kidogo napata ndio ninajisaidia nayo. So I would like your support. Yes.
Haya, napata support.
Okay. Usiwache our president.
Yeah, whatever.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we are known as Back to Nature Cure. We deal with nutrition, Your Excellency the President. Yeah, we have other books. We also collaborate with JKUAT University to make sure that we have the best available products in case somebody has ulcers, he has diabetes, natural products, Your Excellency the President. That's our profession. We have been in this field for over. Kitabu, Mr. President, sir, they are there. But I think we have light food is your best medicines, Your Excellency President. And also we have the amazing miracle cure, love wheat grass juice, Your Excellency. And also you have one of the best books, Stop Suffering and Be Your Own Doctor. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Ongea na hiyo. Sema kwenye ni wapi na jina yako ni nini?
My name is Agnes Wanjeri from Kandeli. Nashona hizi kutumia beads. I want
and the project is going to different constituencies like this, but we need support to build a craft center within the park so that the products can go abroad.
Kang'ata utapanga?
Atusaidie that craft center to let kila mtu.
Can also get the Ministry of Trade to assist.
Yes. To push it to international.
We cannot go to.
Chairman of the bank.
How are you, Chairman?
Welcome to Excellent Minister.
How are you? Yes. I know many things about APC.
In Muranga, 76% of all bank accounts here because it's machinani.
Yes.
So it's quite. But probably we have now gone. Agriculture is 16% of all our loan book in Kenya.
Is it?
So what we now need
16%?
to do, 16%. So what we need to do is now agro-processing. That would take it to 30.
That is why we are doing KIPES.
Exactly.
And that's why we are doing special economic zone.
Yes.
Thank you very much for supporting.
Yes, so thank you, Excellency. Yeah, so there's quite a lot. We have really focused on food as the key priority, then manufacturing, so that you add value addition to the agricultural output, agro-processing, then trade and investment, because if we don't sell, then there's a problem.
Hello, good to see you again. This is a great conference. So we are very engaged with Muranga. Build industrial park will bring more Chinese companies here. Manufacture, industrialization. Yes.
Oh yes, I remember. I remember.
Okay.
For Muranga and Kiambu County. So we are proposing 4,000 units in Muranga County and 2,500 units in Kiambu. Yes. Yes.
We will see how to work together.
Yes. Thank you so much.
On the element of mortgage.
Yes.
We can support the buyers.
Yes.
Even if they are
and also the funding for us as the developers. Yes. Yes. For Kiambu, for Thika Grove Chania.
ATDA is
Jamii kwa makofi mazuri. Karibu sana saa ili uweze kujiunga nasi. Nitaomba kwa